Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna create a soft spring inspired eye look using all products from Maven Beauty. So I am so excited for spring and I cannot wait to create spring inspired eye looks. So this is the first one, and the first product I'm going in with is the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Brûlee. I'm actually gonna use this as a base for my whole eye look. I actually started loving using cream eyeshadows as a base for my eyeshadow last year. This is actually a trick that a lot of professional makeup artists do. They often start with a cream eyeshadow and then they start applying powder eyeshadows. I think it's actually really easy and quick because you can have one shade all over your eyelid so quickly in such an easy way, because cream eyeshadows are obviously gonna blend out really nicely. So you have one shade all over in your crease in a really quick time of matter, which is really nice. So this is gonna be my base. You can even keep it this way and apply some eyeliner, some mascara, or you can do what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna build it up a little bit more. But yeah, it's just a really easy way. I would definitely recommend you guys to try using a cream eyeshadow because it's a really easy way and it doesn't take a lot of time. So now I'm going in with the Basic Beat eyeshadow palette by Maven Beauty in the color Bold Blend. And I decided to go in with this color, which is kind of the same shade as the Basic Beat cream shadow in the shade Brûlee, which I just used. And I decided to apply a little bit of that on top of the cream shadow because I kind of wanted to lock it in place, and it's also gonna slightly make the shade a little bit darker. Now when you use a cream product, even though the cream shadow from Maven Beauty is really long wearing, I always like to set my product. When it comes to foundation, eyeshadow primer, cream shadow, I like to set it in place just to make sure it's gonna last all day. Now I'm going in with the Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette in the color Stargate, and I'm going to use this super pretty shimmery light color. I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelid. I think this shade goes so well with the eyeshadows that I applied, so I think the combination is really beautiful. It gives a little bit more of that warmth because the shades in the crease are actually quite warm. It has a really beautiful yellowy, orangey, mustardy undertone, which I think is so pretty and looks beautiful with so many eye colors. And then the glitter in the eyeshadow also has that same reflect, which I think just looks really pretty together. So now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm using the Maven Beauty waterproof liquid liner in the shade Black. I've said this before, but these liquid liners are super pigmented, and what I really like about it is that you can twist the outer part of the liner. This way there will always run product towards the tip of the product, and the tip of the eyeliner will never dry out, which I think is amazing. I have never seen a brand do it before, and I just think it's genius, and I don't understand why other brands aren't doing it, but yeah, I really like it. Because the thing with these eyeliners is that after a while, sometimes even after using it once, a lot of eyeliners from brands dry out only using it a few times, which is just a waste of money. So I really love that the Maven Beauty liquid liner is twistable, and this way it's never gonna dry out. And also the color payoff of the liquid liner is really good as well. If you haven't seen my previous video where I used the same liquid liner in a really beautiful blue metallic shade, I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. You guys really seem to like that eye look. So now I'm going in with that same color which I used to set the whole cream shadow in place, and I'm going to use this for underneath the lower lash line, kind of sweeping my brush back and forth, making sure this shade is all the way in my crease. Now in my waterline, I went in with a brown pencil. You can use any color in the waterline that you like. I just decided to go in with a brown pencil because it makes my eye color stand out even more. So now it's time for mascara, so I quickly curled my lashes. I always curl my lashes before I go in with mascara, and then I am going to apply a coat of mascara. Off camera, I actually went in with some false lashes, so here you can see the final result. I really love how it turned out. This is kind of like my go-to eye look. I love a soft sparkle on the eyelid, a nice brown color in the crease, and a winged liner. So I will make sure to put all the products in the description bar if you want to purchase any of the Maven Beauty products, I have linked everything down in the description bar together with the links to the website, so you can check the links if you want to purchase the products. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!